Hi, this is Dr. Asomba A at Bega in Lagos, trying to meet up with activities on the peace concepts. This is why I've been in Nigeria for some time now, trying to facilitate on the training of ambassadors of peace in Liberia and the world as a whole. I think I would love all to work together to make a common goal, a peace for us all by 2024. That has been my portion. So I wish you all, at this point in time, you can see how populated this town is. We need peace in all over. We need to talk peace in the street. We need to talk peace on the street. We need to talk peace in the community. We need to talk about peace in marketplaces. We need to talk about peace all over. Thank you very much.